Like, not even the gangbangers do that.
Wow. Hey, you ain't lying about that. We don't even feel me. Half shit we don't even care about.
Who would want to be getting? That's like another like. I got other problems. Shit, damn it, I ain't got no car. Shit, fuck. Think I need the police on my road, me?
Maybe when I was like 16, I would have.
She's gonna gotta do it on the platform.
And the sheriff, what you going to this motherfucker to?
Hella share, especially at this Imperial station. What's going on?
Yeah. Real jail.